It's another day, another beautiful day in Dominican Republic, and now we are in Dudu Lake. We are going to dive here, and I'm going to show you the lake. Actually, on the way it was rainy, heavy rain, and we were wondering like, oh god, if it's raining, can we dive or not? But when we arrive here, it's sunny, sun is out again, and it's so beautiful. I'm so excited, same as always, to dive. And it's the first time we are going to dive in the fresh water. Usually we dive in oceans, and this is going to be a lake, and I can't wait to do that. And let's go and see the lake. Here is going to be the lake. You see that? There we are going down. Let me show you our stuff. Which one is my suit?
We just thought we'd paint you instead.
No?
2 seconds.
Yeah.
You can paint me?
Yeah,
okay. He's going to paint me instead of giving me a suit. The first I was just diving through some trees under the water, and then actually we went through 3 caves, and one of the caves we couldn't see anything without the torch. That's why we needed the torch. And then suddenly that we went up to another cave, which is underwater cave, and we surfaced there. And there was so amazing. With the torch we could see each other, and we could talk. Actually we took out our regulator and we talked, and it was like some moment that is so relaxing, peaceful and different, and you can't get it anywhere else. It was a really great experience. I don't know how to explain it. You should be there to explain it, and if you're not diving, you are not going to see something like that. Even many people, they come here to visit Dudu Lake, they just swim and they don't go there, because the only way to go there, you have to do a scuba diving and then go there. For the second dive, again we started here in this lake, and we went through a tunnel underwater, and then we surfaced in another lake. It was quite different from all other dives I have done. If you haven't watched the video of other dives, I can put a link here or down below. You can go and check them. And this one was the first time we did it in a lake, and it was amazing, and I like it. I'm going to show you this around. It is really beautiful. Actually, it looks a bit different. We came in from the middle of the water. Still is beautiful, but from different perspective and angles. Actually, you can see here people, they were zip lining and jumping to the water, and I was always worried that, oh yeah, we are underwater and they are going to jump top of our head, but it was not like that. Same as always, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to push the button below and subscribe to my channel for more video and more travel video. What are you going to do?
I'm gonna jump.
Yes, go and jump.
Ahí la foto.